Yeah, hi. Uh, Let us go back to the last part of the revision quiz. Okay, we have one last question, question 10. So, you are given a blackish yellow powder, okay, in an experiment. So, when you put a magnet over the cover of the dish, the black particles were observed to move towards the magnet, meaning that the black particles were being attracted to the magnet, whereas the yellow powder remains at the base. What can you conclude? Okay, they are not chemically combined because I told you before, if they are chemically combined, it's a completely new thing. Okay, and yet, right, through this magnetic separation, I can just separate the two of them. Okay, so it's so easy. So it's actually what we have, right? The brackish yellow powder, right, is just a mixture. Okay, it's just a mixture. So it's not chemically combined. So that's why the best answer is B. Okay, let's take a look at option A. The black particles in yellow powder are made out of same element. Cannot be what? One is actually black, the other one yellow. Must be two different things. They are not the same, okay? They are two different elements. How about option C? The black particles in yellow powder are not present in a fixed ratio. Okay, this one I'm not sure, because I don't know. I didn't really count how many black, how many yellow are there. So that's why option C is not correct as well. How about D? The black particles in yellow powder have fixed boiling point. I also not sure. Okay, because they already combine a mixture, they shouldn't have a fixed boiling point. Right, so that's why they can boil at any temperature. So the best answer, right, will be B. Because the question asks you what can be concluded based on this observation. I mean, based on what you have from this experiment using the magnet. So this tells me that it's not chemically combined. I can easily separate the the black particles from the yellow powder. Yeah, I can easily separate the two of them because they are not chemically combined. All right. So the black and the yellow powder when I mix together, right, is just a mixture. They just to reinforce certain ideas here, right? It's just a mixture. Okay, let's move on to structured questions. Okay, first question, name three elements. Okay, so it's quite easy lah. It's just oxygen, helium, and carbon, which is formed from periodic table. Three compound, carbon dioxide. Ice is for information, right? Ice is actually water in solid state. And water is actually a compound for information. It's called H2O. I'm not sure whether some of the students may not know. The the chemical formula of water, right, is H2O. Okay, so a lot of times, sometimes you will tell me, teacher, I know H2O, I need to drink H2O. It's actually a chemical formula. Okay, magnesium oxide is a white solid, it's also a compound. The rest of the mixtures will be bronze and air. Air is a mixture because air got different types of gases all mixed together. So it's actually a mixture. It's not chemically combined. Okay, we have come on the last question. Four differences between a mixture and compound is all here. Okay, mixture no need chemically combine. Compound need chemically combine, need heat and light. Question part two, right? The difference. Mixture can be separated by physical method like magnetic separation. Okay, magnetic separation. Okay, like what we done in the lab, we separate the iron with the sulfur powder, right? So that is actually called a magnetic separation. We can separate the two of them easily. All right. Compound can only be separated using chemical method, a more advanced method. We won't be learning. Then third difference, mixture can be formed with any composition, but compound fixed composition. Okay, you must have there's a fixed formula. You can anyhow mix. Okay, there's a fixed formula. Mixture can be mixed with any composition. Okay, just like making cake. No, when we make cake, right, we can anyhow, I mean, of course, due to the taste, okay, we can mix any amount of flour, any amount of water, and we'll form a mixture like rojak. Let's say I like more cucumber, I add more cucumber. So mixture, right, can be formed with any composition, any amount. Lastly, mixtures have similar property as substance, but compound have totally different properties. Okay, totally different from its starting elements, right? Just like magnesium oxide.